Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kalpa Vriksha. So recently I booked a profit of 20.32% in 182 days. That's in Aegis Logistics Ltd. So I have captured all the information in this Google Sheet and want to explain all the points about my trade. So before I start, SEBI disclaimer. So I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. It's only for educational purpose. And make sure you know the risk and reward before you take any trade or any investment. And if you feel this video is very slow for you, please watch it in 1.25 or 1.5x speed. Okay, so you see the Google Sheet icon here because I'm using Google Sheet, so I have to thank them. So thanks to Google Sheet for giving me a very nice platform to do all my calculations with respect to the trades. Okay, so Aegis Logistics Limited. All the information I have given here: the buy price, sold price, and return, and percentage return and days. So, okay, so what's my entry ideas? So I look for 3 points before I take trade in this positional trade. Please note, this is a positional trade. You hold for a few days and then exit with a decent profit. So how many days and how much percentage profit is not in our hand. We have to wait for few days, and market will give us a very good return, because it has been giving me a decent return. If you can look for my previous all the videos I have posted on such successes. Okay, so the point number one, the stock should be corrected to a certain level. When I say certain level, it could be like 8% or more than that. So once that corrects, so generally that will be in a good good demand zone. So there is high probability that the stock will reverse from that zone. That's a point number one. And the second point, we look for the fundamental informations, the sales information. We look at the QOQ trend, the quarter on quarter sales trend, the top line, what we say. So the thumb rule is it should not be declining. It can go up and down little bit, but continuously it should not be declining. Okay, I captured that from the money control website. You see, Aegis Logistics has given, not declining sales. So to let me zoom it. Okay, 2150, 2086, and then it went up little up and little down, and then recently it went down. So it is not a clear declining trend. Okay, so that's the point, meaning in future, whenever they declare a good result, the stock will go up. So that's the funda. And then the third point, long term to mid term CAGR. So this is also a fundamental input I take from the screener.in. Okay, the captured information is here. So if you see the 10, 5, 3 and 1 year CAGR, you can pause this video and see the numbers. So it's more than 12%, 12 or 12 plus. So it's nice number. So there's a high chance that stock will go up in future, right? So that is the whole idea behind taking any trade. Not only in this stock, I've taken all the positions based on these three conditions. Okay, so I'll come to the exit point. Okay, so I'll exit whenever the stock RSI goes above 70, and then wait for two conditions, either it should reverse from that above line, above the RSI 70 above, or if we have a strong supply historically. If I get these 2 points, then probably I'll look and I'll wait for few days, and then I'll take a decision to exit. Okay, so I'll explain the whole stuff by showing the chart. So I capture the chart, and with all the inputs, all the points, in this chart and captured in Google Sheet itself. If you see, the point number one which I told to take entry is the correction. If you see, it was corrected like more than 15%. So that triggered me to look for the other 2 points, like the CAGR, long term to mid term CAGR, and then the quarterly trends. So after confirming those two inputs, I felt, okay, let me do buying. What I did, like, I did the first buy. So I divide and, the take the trades. I'll not put the full amount in one go. Okay. So I bought the share and then again it came down. That's okay. It came down and then I did the second buying. You see those arrow marks, they are the buyings, first and second buying. And then I waited for a few days and then you see it rallied nicely and then it gave a good return of like 20.32% in 182 days. So to exit, right? So to exit, as I told you, if you see this price of like whatever that 369 plus or minus, so it is at a supply zone, right? From there itself the stock fell down heavily and then gave me the entry point. So that is one indication which gave me okay, be cautious to exit the stock. And the second point, the RSI was above 70. So somewhere, generally what we follow, traders follow, whenever the RSI goes above 70, so there is a high chance that the stock price will come down. There's a high chance. Okay, we cannot say the stock price 100% will come down, but there's a good chance that it will come down. So no need to take risk, okay, because 20+% in 182 days is a very nice return. So we can book profit and wait for a next opportunity. So that's why I exited, and I use Dhan because TradingView has integrated with Dhan, and that's why I just put logo. I have put all the logos, Money Control, Dhan, and Screener and Google Sheet, just to thank them because they are giving me free of cost. They are giving me the platform, so I feel I should thank them. So if you feel this video is kind of good educational content for you, please do like this video. If you feel, okay, if I have to include some more points, if you feel there's some gaps in my explanation or in the points which I covered, or if there's a scope to improve, please leave that in comment. Definitely in my next success, I'll try to cover those points too. Thank you and happy learning. All the best.